welcome back to Tip Tuesday. I'm your host Moriah, and today I have our primary care internal medicine specialist, Dr. Ethel Vasquez Harmon, and she's going to go over the symptoms and the diagnosis of diabetes.
So most commonly, diabetes presents with urinary frequency or excessive thirst. However, it can present with fatigue, frequent yeast infections, numbness in your feet, or unexplained weight loss. Diabetes is diagnosed with blood work. So if your glucose is greater than 126 fasting on 2 occasions, or a blood sugar of 200 randomly, or a hemoglobin A1C of greater than 6.4, that person has diabetes.
Oh wow. Thank you for that information. I think it'll help a lot of people out in figuring out if they have that. If you experience any of these symptoms and want to get an appointment with Dr. Harmon, you can do so by calling 918-994-4000, and have a great week!